Hello guys! Look at my garden, oh. Tingnan mo, there's a lot of vegetables. And here, oh, there's an eggplant. Here. Here. Sa totoo lang guys, nakakasawa din pala yung talong. Sa totoo lang, kapag mayroon ka ng sariling gulay, magsasawa ka na. Tapos tignan mo yung aking grapes. It's looking good. Ayan. One day, magmumukbang ako ng grapes galing sa aking garden. Tignan mo yan. Ayan. Tatak Rogelia yan. Kapag inaalagaan mo ang iyong garden, makikita mo yung resulta niya. Tignan mo guys, ngayong year ko lang yan tinaan. Talagang totally I taken care of my grapes. Yes. Kaya ito na siya guys. This is it. Yes. Pero yan guys, yung niyan, yung mga branches niyan, I need to cut next time if it's getting more. And then plant and then transfer to Ilaya. I want to have grapes there. More grapes, yes. Ayun, tignan mo yung talong ko guys, ang daming bunga. Hindi ko na siya kinukuhaan masyado kasi nakakaumay din pala ng maraming talong. Ayan pa lang yung talong ko dito sa garden. Yan, ayan pa lang. Pero alam mo guys, ito, 2 kilo na ang nakuha ko dyan. Kaya proud na proud ako sa sarili ko that I'm decide to plant. Yun. Kaya okay na siya guys. Oh my God. This is it. I didn't expect that, it's grow and it's make more. At ang aking kotse, cash na siya. Oh my God, cash na. Kaya, jackpot ang tawag doon. Jackpot, sipag at tiyaga. Ang aking YouTube channels, pumapayapag. Oh, thank you. Thank you sa aking mga subscribers. Ito ang aking last salary sa Denmark. Yes, my remembrance. You know naman kapag salary ang pinag-uusapan, it's always have memory. Alam mo yung kailangan may memory ako na maaalala na this is my salary, this is my last salary. Kasama ang aking pensyon. Yes. At ito na nga ito guys, sa tulong ng aking pamangkin na si JR at saka si Bubong. Mayroon sila pero I'm decide to turn it back later if I have money enough. Yes. Thank you to all of my families. They always support what I want. Yes. Thank you guys. At ito na guys ang aking kotse. Ito ang aking car. Yan. O, diba? Okay na siya guys. Paid na. Paid na siya. No more credits at all. At salamat sa last pensions ko na napunta lang sa aking kotse but there's no regrets at all. Thank you, Lord. Thank you to all of your support and guidance and to achieve what I want to achieve. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of you in the heavens. Kasama ang aking tatay at ang aking bro. Yes. Thank you so much. I love you all.